have with me in studio PK Basu, Chief Strategist at realeconomics.com. So PK, thanks for coming again. Great to have you on the show.
Good to be here.
Okay, so slowing of the economy by 2.7% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, but on a year-on-year basis, it still looks pretty healthy.
Yeah, I think the second half of the year was a lot better than the first half. In fact, the economy really stabilized in the second quarter and did better in the second half than in the first half. So I think the momentum will continue into the next year. We do have the biomedical sector as one segment of manufacturing that is extremely volatile on a month-on-month and quarter-on-quarter basis, and that adds to some of the volatility in the numbers. But the underlying momentum is good. We are seeing a recovery in machinery investment spending, and that I think is likely to continue into the first half of next year.
All right, services, a bit lackluster of a performance, but should we expect to see a pickup?
Well, services should pick up as well. As the global economy improves in the course of 2014, we should see services pick up as tourist arrivals will improve. So yes, services should be doing a bit better going forward, but really the manufacturing sector is the one that is likely to benefit from the improvement in global demand, especially with the clear pickup in the US economy.
All right, so Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong says he expects growth of 2.2 to 4% for this year. What's your outlook for the year ahead then?
Well, I think 2 to 4% is a very conservative estimate. I think it's likely that growth will be a little bit more than 4% this year. Last year, we were coming off a really weak year, and in the first quarter, some of that weakness persisted. Now we have momentum of about 4 to 5% growth, and I think that is likely to persist, particularly because electronics, a key segment in manufacturing, has seen its long period of stagnation end, and we are now into the second or third quarter of a much stronger performance there. Also, I think petrochemicals will begin to kick in and contribute much more significantly to manufacturing.
So overall, what does this mean for workers? Are we talking better salaries? And what's your view on inflation in 2014?
Inflation will remain pretty tame, but with regard to employment prospects and wages and salaries, I think there'll be a modest improvement in the course of this year, particularly because when you get machinery investment driving growth, productivity improves, and with productivity improving, it is possible for employers to pass that on in terms of better wages.
All right, great outlook. Thank you very much for coming in today. Great speaking to you.
Good to be here.
And that was PK Basu on the numbers out today.